Visual Basic. What is the use of Visual Basic application? Visual Basic for Applications is a computer programs language created as well as owned by Microsoft. With VBA you can develop macros to automate recurring word and also data processing features, and create custom kinds, charts, and reports. VBA functions within MS Workplace applications. It is not a standalone item. Visual Basic is a user-friendly programming language developed for novices, and it allows anybody to develop GUI home window applications easily. In 2002, Microsoft released Aesthetic Basic.NET (VB.NET). To replace Visual Basic 6 is a fully object-oriented programs language carried out in the VBA for Applications (VBA) belongs to Microsoft firms NASDAQ, MSFT, Legacy Software Application (VBA), which Microsoft built to assist compose programs for the Windows OS. Visual Standard for Applications runs as an interior programs language in Microsoft Office, MS Workplace, Workplace applications such as Gain Access to, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, Word, and Visio. VBA allows users to personalize beyond what is generally readily available with MS Workplace host applications. VBA is not a standalone program. By manipulating graphical user interface (GUI) functions such as toolbars and menus, discussion boxes, and types. About Visual Basic Training Certification. This Visual Basic 6.0 training program is created for developers who are moving to VBA with some understanding of basic programs principles from the history of a previous show. You'll learn Visual Standard syntax, event-driven shows, and exactly how to compile an application with the native code compiler. You'll learn the VBA language, find out to handle runtime errors, learn about debugging, collaborate with forms as well as controls, include simple data source assistance to your applications, and far more. The primary goal of the course is to make it possible for the individual to produce organization applications with Visual Standard that utilize multi-tier application layout strategy for maintainability as well as reusability. The hands-on workouts are focused on solving commonly come across business problems. Significance of Visual Basic training in 2021. This training course gives a thorough introduction to the use of Visual Basic 6. The main objective of the training course is to make it possible for the individual to develop business applications with Visual Fundamental that use multi-tier application-style methods for maintainability and reusability. The hands-on exercises are concentrated on fixing frequently run-into company problems. The training course presents the Visual Basic Integrated Advancement Setting, (IDE), and its wide range of growth devices. Students will find out to construct efficient user interfaces with Visual Fundamental controls, kinds, and also various other GUI parts. The Visual Standard language is covered thoroughly. Students will discover making use of the debugging as well as testing tools readily available in Visual Studio. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Visual Basic training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best VBA training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for this training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/